As an interior tech at Dent Wizard, I repair the interiors of cars. My job includes repairing rips, tears, and burns, mixing dyes to match surfaces, and removing stains. It's my job to make a detailed car's inside look as new as possible and ready to sell.
We do automotive reconditioning, just making the vehicles look as great as we can for better resale value. In a lot of ways, it's like being a business owner of your own.
Your earning potential is all up to your attitude and your work ethic. If you're ready to go out there and work hard and do your due diligence, you're going to make as much as possible out there.
Personally, from when I've started last August to now, I've almost tripled my income just from better experience and growing an account. Customer service is a huge skill set to have. Just communication is key in that. They appreciate that, and it really goes a long way with kind of keeping your account in good standing.
The perks of being a tech at Dent Wizard is they give you everything that I need as a tech to get my job done.
My experience here at Dent Wizard would be nothing short of great. It's been great experience, great people, great company. It's growing, and I'm happy to be along for the ride.
Working for Dent Wizard is the best decision I've made. It's a real career, and my coworkers are like family. I'd recommend this job to anyone.